So, today we will be making a Pokeball. Beep. That can open up. Beep. And you can draw a Pokemon in here and the Pokemon will jump out. This actually requires a few folding strategies and stuff, you see. And you gotta color it, and you gotta cut and glue, but it's a pretty good one. So I hope you like it. On to talking about which stuff that you'll need to do it with. So, the materials you will need are scissors, 2 pieces of paper, a glue stick, a red marker, and a black marker. So let's get started. So let's start with this piece of white paper. See this half? Let's fold it down a bit, like this. Here's a better look of it. Oh. Try to see this down edge? Fold it down like that. It's easier for me when doing it on the table. As you know, I believe you know what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be making a square out of our paper. And this half, we'll need to cut a little bit off, so we'll need to cut the rectangle. As you know, I believe when we're trying to make a square piece of paper. Well, look at those. This little stuff. I'll just pull it out. Okay. Now we have a piece of square paper. This is what we will be starting off with. I just want to get rid of that crease right now. Okay. Make a half fold. So, we finished the fold like this already. And see, it can flip up and down. We are going to get rid of that because that is a little bit useless. Because it's just a line for where we need it to be. And as you see, I folded this downwards. And I think you might know, but we'll have to do the other side upwards. And now both of them can open like that. So, let's flip it over and fold it in half. It's a little hard for me. Okay, I believe this is good by now. Okay. As you see, I grabbed my scissors. Let's snip, snip, snip on this side, see? This side's open, but this side is not. You can't try to open it. See? So let's snip it open and try to make it open. And now we can open up fully. And then let's cut off the edges on all of them actually. Okay, this is good. We can open it up like that and, you know. And then, you see, I grabbed my red marker. And let's try to dart a line over. And let's color the whole top area. But then we're going to leave the bottom part black. Okay, finished with coloring this front part red. Now it can open up too. Let's put the red aside and grab the black. Well, actually, if you also want to see the back the same, you can color this back part red, but leave the same line over here. Now let's open our black. And this line, we'll just color it black. Now we colored this part black, and now this bottom part. We will also color that part black. We have a lot of black coloring today. But we have to make a little line down here as well. So, we finished the bottom coloring black. Let's take the next piece of paper along. Or maybe I could just take the scrap paper to put on top of here so the color won't get on the table. We're going to draw like a small circle. It could be a little big. And then we'll draw a smaller circle inside. And then an even smaller one, like a target. See? And then we'll color in the one on the outside only. And then it'll turn out like this. You can cap your black now. Let's grab your scissors to snip this. How do you think we'll get this onto the origami? Well, I think you already know your answer because of the glue. I think I busted it. Yeah, the glue is all you need. So, as you guessed, we'll take the glue. We'll glue at least a little bit of glue on top of here. Just a little bit on one corner. And one bit of the corner, and then we'll have to like open and try to glue it on the red cap right in the middle, right here, like that. Okay, we finished this outside of it. Actually, we finished the whole thing. But if you wanted to put some black on this back part where when I said you could color the red, be free to if you wanted to make it 3D. So now we finished it. We finished the Pokeball, but one last part of it. You can open it up and you can draw a little Pokemon or two in here. So what we made was pretty exciting, eh? You could have put the Loudred in there like the one I made in my video. That one was actually pretty cool. Be sure to check out other videos, such as all my Lego ones that I created, my Jack, my Mega Charizard Y. Oh yeah, that one was awesome. So I hope you like our video. I hope you watch the others, subscribe, like, and enjoy. Until next time, see you!